We show how to conduct a weekly fire alarm test within a commercial building. The responsible person has a duty to take general fire precautions and must ensure the fire alarm system is tested weekly. This test goes a long way in protecting life and helping to reduce false alarm activations which lead to unwanted fire signals. The Alarm Receiving Centre must be contacted prior to conducting the weekly fire alarm test. The fire alarm panel should be placed into test mode if this is available. Ensure all occupants within the building are made aware that a fire alarm test is taking place. This should include buildings of multi-occupancy and those shared with other stakeholders. A system should be in place to ensure a different manual call point is tested each week. Place the test key into the manual call point to activate the alarm. An audible alarm must be heard throughout the building. In the event of an emergency, this alerts all occupants of the need to escape. Be sure to also check those areas that you wouldn't normally use. Any features such as door hold open devices should operate correctly. Check that the correct zone in relation to the manual call point and zone map is shown on the fire alarm panel. If any red or amber lights show, these should be reported. Once completed, the fire alarm panel should then be returned to its normal operating mode, with a green lit LED showing to indicate power within the system. Ensure all occupants within the building are made aware that the test is now complete. Remember to notify the Alarm Receiving Centre once the test is complete. We found that a notice on the fire alarm panel is useful to remind people. Ask the operator if there were any discrepancies shown through their system. Any results from the test must be recorded within your fire alarm logbook, and this can be audited. Any faults should be reported to the maintenance provider for immediate investigation. Help us in keeping you safe.